Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're cooking bulgogi. Let's go! Woo!
Yeah. We do bulgogi step by step. No rush. No rush. Listen close. Ay. Step one, beef ribeye or sirloin, sliced thin, quarter-inch
Step
cut.
one,
That's how we
slice
begin.
it
Freeze
thin.
it first, just a little bit cold. So slice and clean, not messy or
Cold
bold.
meat
Don't
makes
that
clean
get
cuts.
thick? Thin slices only. That's the trick. Now bowl it up. We build
the flavor base.
1/4 cup. Of course, 2 tablespoons sugar going next. Mix it down, no confusion or stress. 1 tablespoon sesame oil drip. Garlic, 3 cloves, finely clipped. Black pepper pinch just like touch. Not too much, don't overdo much. Stop. This is flavor base. Taste test optional. You should feel sweetened. Salty balance, yeah. Now here's secret, don't ignore. Half a Korean pear, grated raw. They tenderize meat, make it soft. Restaurant texture, lift it off. Wait, pear and meat?
Pear and meat, yeah. Don't question Korea.
Put beef in bowl, coat it slow, every slice let flavor go. Mix it well, hand or spoon, let it sit. 20 minutes tune, longer better if you got time. That's how bulgogi reaches prime. Pan hot, fire medium high. Don't overcrowd or you'll get fried. Cooking batches, quick and clean, 2 minutes per side. Glossy sheen, it caramelized, sugar glaze. That's the reason people praise. Sweet and salty.
Pan, we're looking for intense heat and that perfect caramelization.
Then cut me, flavorize. This is how Korean cooks survive. Plate it up. Green onion top. Sesame seed. You did it right.